In this lesson, we'll examine some of the general attributes of ActionScript, how it can be used, and some compelling reasons to learn such a language. So what is ActionScript? ActionScript is an object-oriented programming language. What that means is that it uses many of the object-oriented programming paradigms, such as data abstraction, encapsulation, modularity, and inheritance. It's very similar to Java or C#. It's also a dialect of ECMAScript. ECMAScript is a scripting language that's been standardized by ECMA International. Other dialects of ECMAScript include JavaScript and JScript, although ActionScript is based on ECMAScript version 4, which is much more robust than the versions of ECMAScript that these other dialects implement. It's also an open source specification, which means that anybody is able to access the specification in order to implement it in their own projects. So ActionScript compiles to many different types of executables and other file types that can be used in conjunction with a runtime. Probably the primary one that most people are familiar is the SWIF. SWIF is used in the Adobe Flash Player, which is normally bundled with different web browsers for playback on the web. But ActionScript can also compile to an AIR file, which relies on the AIR desktop runtime, an executable file, or DMG, and these are all used on the desktop. Lately, ActionScript has been used to compile to platforms beyond traditional desktop computing, such as television sets and mobile devices. Some of the formats included in this category include APK, which is the standard Android format, IPA, which is for iOS, or BAR, which is used for BlackBerry's tablet OS. And it can compile to a variety of other formats as well. Lots of people have leveraged ActionScript to be used in other systems, such as Scaleform, which uses it in commercial video game software for consoles. So why learn ActionScript? It has a wide reach on the web, the desktop, mobile devices, and beyond. If you want to be able to hit many targets with one codebase, ActionScript is a very good way to do so. It also lets you build a variety of different types of applications, so 2D and 3D games, enterprise applications, video players, and even a variety of experimental pieces. Lastly, the Flash platform is fun, rewarding, and in high demand. So in this lesson, we've gone over some of the general attributes of ActionScript, the uses, and reasons you might want to use this language.